To add a little Frenchness to your lunchbox, I am going to show you how to hard-boil mini dragon's eggs. I need to thank our sponsors today, La Ferme des Petits Dragons, who has kindly sent us a box of their wonderful dragon's eggs. You'll find their link in the description. They have given you a fantastic 15% discount if you use the code Eat Like a French Family 15 in your first order. So I've got my water to a running boil here, and I'm going to drop my dragon's eggs one at a time and delicately, and then once they're all in the pan I will put the timer on for 3.5 minutes. Et voila, 3.5 minutes. We're going to take them out of the water into cold water. If you have some, you could put a few ice cubes, but not absolutely necessary. And we're going to scale them as soon as they are cold enough to handle. So we are now ready to scale our dragon's egg. Like a normal hen's eggs, you just peel, scale away. That's quite easy actually, surprisingly. And maybe give it a little rinse before you eat to make sure you have got rid of all. But look at this beautiful coloring. I've done the other two already. Aren't they absolutely magnificent? I'm just going to give them a rinse and we'll build our lunchbox. Let's build our lunchbox. You know, this would not happen in France because we do not eat at our desk like savages. We go to the cafe and have a 3-course meal. But as we are in an Anglo-Saxon country, we're going to put our lunchbox together. I have put a little bit of mayonnaise in my container here, ready to dunk my lovely eggs in. We're going to have our eggs around here. There we are. Imagine turning up at school with a lunchbox that looks like this, and then we can have our carrots here in the corner and a bit of cucumber as a very happy, healthy part of our lunchbox. I have made a little sandwich here out of a lovely cheese called Caprice des Dieux. It is the creamiest cheese you can find. It isn't strong at all. Children will definitely love Caprice des Dieux. If you're trying to teach your children how to like camembert, this is the one to start with. We've got our Caprice des Dieux sandwich, and to be very English, we're going to put a few crisps, and I like these very much as well. And my hot drink, and I will be ready for lunch on the go. This was our 4th recipe today using the beautiful dragon's eggs from La Ferme des Petits Dragons. Thanks for sponsoring this video today. There's the link to the first video. I'll put the link to the last two at the end of this video, but for the moment, let's taste our beautiful hard-boiled dragon's eggs. And they are absolutely stunning. I've got my little mayonnaise from my lunchbox. I love egg mayonnaise. Now that's a very French recipe. Perfect. Oh, that flavor of my childhood. I cannot believe how lucky we are to be raising these free-range, organic little dragons in Brittany once more. Bon appétit les amis!